Hey guys, oops, my glasses. We are headed.
Make sure you grab those because you're not gonna be able to find them later.
They're right here. I can't miss them. They didn't fall on the floor. They just fell into the cup holder. Hey guys. Oops, sorry guys. Dropping y'all all over the place. Matthew and I are headed to look at our cabinets for our basement and our kitchen. Because we're gonna put like a little kitchenette, right babe? Yep. Oh, first of all, hello. I'm sorry. How you guys doing today? I just got off work and I'm headed.
Well, first off, our appointment was 6:30, and for the last week, she's been telling me, "Oh, babe, that's too late. You should make that earlier. You should make that earlier." Well, she just got home, and thank God we have the appointment for 6:30 because we're actually probably running a little bit late.
Yeah, we're probably gonna be a little bit late, and I apologize. It's just that my job. The only day I know that I have to get out of work on time is Thursday.
That's why I didn't adjust the time, because it's like you never know what time you're gonna get home.
Except on Thursdays when you have to work, I don't play.
Yeah, but that's the only time.
But it's just a lot going on at my job right now, and it's
that's what it is.
It's just like really stressful, and some days I have to just make sure I just tie a little as much loose ends as I possibly can before I leave. So I have some things I needed to get done, and I still have to get some things. I've been at work since. I'm sorry guys, I'm eating some almonds. I didn't really eat anything today. I just had.
And you know what they're thinking probably right now? Say, Heifer, could you wait to eat those until after you're done vlogging? I'm
sorry guys, please forgive me. You're so shady.
I'm only thinking of our people, our public.
Yeah, he's only thinking about you guys. But anyway, like I was saying, Matt and I are on our way to look at kitchen cabinets, right, babe?
Yeah.
Not even quotes. We are going to look at kitchen cabinets. Yeah. So I'm anxious to see what they have. You know, I'm going to see if I can't vlog in there, so I can take you guys along, so you guys can see what we're looking at. So hey guys, we're at Holcomb cabinets, and we're looking around right now. Let me show you guys what everything is looking like. Just right here. So hold on. So here's some options. We have the Cosme Vantage. It's okay. Say babies. Say hello. Jay, say hello. Oh, we're looking around. Sis, Matt, and I in here.
What do you,
Oh, okay. Oh, what's this? Yeah. Oh, they have like hardware and stuff. So what are you looking towards, babe? What are you looking at?
I'm not even sure where to begin. It's like for poles and stuff, I guess.
Oh, for
like the
hardware?
Yeah.
I wouldn't even know where to start.
Do you want more like
that's nice. I like that.
Do you want like this color?
Yeah, that's
definitely not like this.
No light. I want dark. I don't know why.
And definitely not wood.
No wood.
So
I like this stuff right here. It's like I would choose.
Or even
here. Yeah. But we don't.
Not this.
This is not our favorite over here, but we like stuff like that.
Yeah, this stuff right here.
Yeah, I like that. So it's countertops and everything in one. Is it one-stop shop?
I guess so.
Look at that.
You know, I do need to.
I do like
the shopping list that
yeah. Because this is kind of like what we already have. This color. Yeah. Because I think that'll go good with the darker cabinet. I like that a lot.
This is Tile Market.
Yeah,
And we're supposed to make an appointment with them too.
Oh, this is nice.
Tile Market of Delaware.
I can't get it on the camera with focus, but
that's pretty.
That is gorgeous. I love that. Or blacks like oh, we got a lot of stuff. Watch yourself, guys. He said they could run amok. Oh, let me see. Oh, more. Oh, nice. I like these. That's like really modern. Yeah. And you know, we're more traditional type of people. Mommy. It's okay, Mom. You okay? I'm okay. Awesome. Awesome. Man, this is really nice. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, we're just looking around, trying to see what we can do. I think this might be a little bit too modern for us, right? What do you think? Sorry about the light, guys. Let me see if I can. Yes, good light over here. Yeah, I like that. That's nice. Yeah, that's really nice. I like that. That's really nice. Cherry. Yeah. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love that. That's like, ooh. Oh, what's that for? That's nice.
Oh, this is just samples of the different colors and stuff.
Yeah, I like anything dark. Oh, that. Ooh. Look at that. What color is that, babe? Turn it.
That is cranberry with black.
Yeah, that's the same thing.
Over there.
This is my, that's my favorite. This is, no, I don't think that's it.
No, that's not it.
No.
This one. Right here.
Yep, that's it. Yeah, that pretty much goes. A little bit lighter, but it's basically the same. Yep. Be careful, guys.
It's pretty. So would you want to color like that instead?
Yeah, I like that one. It's nice.
The brown one that we saw over there.
Yeah, well, let's compare it. I need to bring that one over to look at it. Yeah. Bring the sample and see what color it is. You know, we want to know. So this is So this is a little bit more modern. But no, not a modern, but I love this thing. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous, babe? I love it. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff that we have to figure out. Oh, there's some more hardware, babe. I guess for this type of Check this. Oh, we gotta go this way. Guys, check this out. This is no joke. This is, oh, baby. Look at this countertop. That's like us. Yeah. And that backsplash goes wonderfully with it. That is gorgeous. We over there getting the stove like this, but this. Hold up, let me go back. Because they've seen our kitchen before. This is gorgeous. Rain! Yeah. No office. Come out here. Yeah. But look at this side right here. This is gorgeous. I love this. I like this color too. But this might be a little bit too dark for our floor.
I do like that color.
That color is gorgeous. This is probably more our speed. I want my microwave to go above. Yep, just like that. Oh, I love that. That is, babe, that's awesome. What if we can have that built in?
Whatever you want.
Yeah. This is the sink I want. See, this is the sink. I want to have the. Oh, this is what I want. I even like this color. Oh, guys, I'm sorry. Oh, that's what I want.
We definitely use that type of sink.
But no, I'm not sure which type of faucet that I want. It was over there. Yeah.
I mean, just as tight.
Yeah, but we don't probably need this part right here. But this is really nice. You guys okay? Make sure you don't touch anything. Okay? Yeah.
This type of setup, when there's no room for an island.
Okay.
Typically in North Wilmington.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I didn't even realize. Yeah.
So most people, my dad designed this room so that either you say, this is my kitchen, or some people step back and say, this is my kitchen.
Oh, hold on. Let me introduce you to my vlog if you don't mind.
No, not at all.
No, come here. So this is
Daryl.
Daryl. Oh, you said Daryl. Sorry, Daryl.
Oh, no worries.
This is Daryl from Holcomb Cabinetry. So he's showing us around, guys, right now. So yeah, so we're just checking it out. Yeah. You can just say hi to my friend.
One thing I'll say that these guys, this is great. The fact that they're filming all this, they're gonna look back at this in 5 years and actually remember what happened. Whereas most people, the day that it's over, they just like, it's done. No, this will be a good thing.
Thank you so much for talking to my mom. Alright guys, so we're gonna look around some more, see what we can get into. Babe, so babe, this is more like Rhonda's kitchen right here. Yeah.
find a picture of our.
Oh yeah, so we can show it to him. Oh, that's a good idea, babe. All right, so we can scoot from this part because our kitchen is more like that over there. A little bit more. Oh, babe, more stuff. So should we? So the same cabinetry that we're getting for the kitchen, we're gonna get it for the kitchen that we're gonna build downstairs, right?
I would think so.
Yeah, I don't want any. Oh, more stuff. Nice. Oh, but you know what though? I forgot we're getting a bathroom in the basement too. Yeah. Nice. Don't touch. Oh, look. If my kitchen was like this, babe, look at this. Babe, look. Beautiful. I'm probably gonna have to fast forward through a lot of this, but this is nice. Babe, I have so much stuff I have to put up. So I'll just let them know when the vlog comes up. It's gonna take forever. Nice. You alright, man? Alright, so did you find a picture of the kitchen yet? Alright, so we're still looking, guys. Guys, come on. You ready? Be careful. Rain. Look at this monkey see, monkey do it, man. You wash hands in the sink, man? Hey, wash your hands. You know, babe, come. Babe, look. Babe. Okay. Excuse me. Ray, what are you doing, sweetie? No. You always gotta find something to touch. What is that? Come in. No. Come on. Thank you. No, babe. No, Jay. Come on. Don't touch. Thank you.
See, this section is under a little bit of renovation.
Yeah.
What? And you see that his vanity can be a cabinet and vice versa. So.
Oh, okay.
It's just about the door.
Oh, okay.
And you know, beyond that. We can make it work for whatever area you want.
Okay. Oh my God. I really like this. What do you think, babe?
I like this.
I would just probably put your phone up, but we could like send him a picture of our kitchen later.
Well, I just wanted for reference.
Because you could do, yeah, but you could do like a 360 of our whole kitchen and then send it to him. And that way, we're just trying to focus on like the products and what we can get and pick.
So this is not the same, but this is close.
Okay. Oh, let me see.
It has a different type of detail on the outside.
I like it though.
I like it a lot.
Yeah.
I couldn't find one in your color, but
Yeah, I like this. Okay. This is nice because I like the. Yeah, this is very close. This is, and actually I think I like this better. What do you think, babe? Now let me show this. This one I like better.
It's very similar, but I do.
I like that.
And that's what, there's just a little bit more interior detail and a little less on the outside.
Oh, that's fine. I like that.
And obviously you can get them in a different color, different ways, etc.
Oh yeah, this is nice. I like that. That's nice.
And so, obviously you pick the color, but if you want, you can pick a color to go with it now.
Okay. Yeah, you want
just
to look
to
at
kind of complete, because then you have one from 3 different lines that we.
Right. Oh, okay. Yeah.
That being said, one of them will work for you.
Okay.
It's about finding which one you want.
Okay.
Or you can change your mind altogether. That happens.
No. When I find something I want, that's what I want.
Good.
Unless he changes his mind.
No.
Are you sure?
No.
You all right, guys? Okay. Okay, guys. Real quick, I'm going to show you. So this is the color that we have right here. For the kitchen, we chose this one. It's dark. It's like my type of wood. This is gorgeous. Yeah, buddy. Because I'll show you this. This was what he gave us, and this is kind of like, hold up. Yeah, buddy. For this one.
My father seems to have hit his
hard for me, so I didn't put one of his, but I put Mitchell's left.
Thank you so much for showing us everything. Let me talk to my guys real quick. So Daryl's coming back to our house. Yeah, it's funny talking to a camera, but people do watch. Daryl's coming to our house next Thursday so he can do like an assessment of our kitchen and see what it really looks like, because right now it's kind of difficult to determine what everything is going to look like without seeing a layout of our kitchen. So, yeah. But we appreciate him. Yeah. Alright guys, I'll be back. I'll end the vlog later on. Oh, hey guys, I almost forgot to end the vlog for tonight. Yeah, of course I got my bonnet on because I'm going to go to sleep. But I want to thank Daryl from Holcomb Cabinetry. He was wonderful. I really appreciate his service. Top notch, awesome. Matthew's already in bed. And, he's probably sleeping. He's probably asleep. So I just wanted to say, hey. I'm so sorry that I'm tired. I want to say good night. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Please feel free to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you guys in our next vlog. Good night.